Alright, took an extra day off. Coughing up a lot of chunks. I thought I was over this cold, but man, after that, the 24th, I had a couple rough days. Still really deep. It's still like I'm raspy, but I feel okay. I worked late today, had a little bite to eat just now. It's evening now. We're gonna do some deadlifts, see what happens. This is 225 for a single. See where I'm at. Okay, let's kick it up a notch. All right, added 20 pounds, 245. Let's see how it moves. So far so good, let's go a bit more. Alright, 90 seconds is up. 275 for single. Looking for an RPE 8, so we'll see how this one goes. Maybe 10 pounds more. Okay, last single. Yeah, it's bad. 285. I think this is gonna be it. I'm getting forward when I'm pulling it up, so I'm gonna try to stay back a little bit on this one. Yeah, that felt better. Okay, then we're gonna do some drop down sets. All right, last set, 4 sets of 4. This is at 72% of my 1 RM estimate. Here we go, 4 good ones. Okay, that's a wrap for deadlift. Now for some pause bench. Okay, 185 for deuce. 2-second pause though. Let's see if this is a 9. All right, went up 15 pounds. Try 200 for a double. 2-second pause without coughing up a lung. There we go. Okay, 2 fatigue sets. So I'm doing another set of 2, less 5% off the last bar. So 190 for 2-second pause. Well, that's moving pretty good. All right, it's my last set of those. Let's do squats. Well, this is it, squats. So we gotta do 3 sets of 4. One's supposed to be RPE 9. I'll do an 8. This is 185 for 4. See how it feels. Not sure. Feels like a 7, but my lungs hurt. Might just leave it there. I was gonna call it a night on 1 set. I'm gonna do this last set, just 4 more, and we'll call this done. Okay, that's enough. See you next one.